Hey, good morning. I'm back. Yellow headband. Self-care. You know what that means? It means self-care. So, yesterday we removed impurities from our skin with the charcoal mask. And today we're hydrating our skin. We're giving back to our skin by hydrating it with the moisturizing cream mask, hydrating cream mask. So, I'm going to take my handy dandy applicator and put this on your face really easily. Literally, obviously, avoid your eyes and your mouth. And it's just got this nice, cool feeling on your skin. And the extra special thing about this is, you saw with the charcoal mask yesterday, and if you didn't see the Facebook Live, you can go back and watch the replay. You wash it off after 10 or 20 minutes. With this, you don't have to do that. Leave it on for 10 or 20 minutes, and then literally, you can massage it in your skin. It's that easy. In fact, you can put this on, or any of our masks on for that matter, and literally for 10 or 20 minutes, like I'm gonna go feed the cat, make breakfast, etc. Then I don't even have to come back here to like I said, to wash it off. Just gonna massage it back into my skin. And here's the cool thing. Again, these are great for Mother's Day, Teachers Appreciation Day, Nurses Appreciation Day, all coming up in May. And if you wanted to give your skin everything it needs, you can bundle these. If you want to grab these together, go on my website, marykay.com/Andrea Self-Care Sanctuary. And if you get these together, I will give you the mask, the applicator for free. I'll include it in the bundle. Great gift. Any questions? Hit me up in the comments or DM me. And I'm going to also put this bundle in the comments so you can read up on it. If you have any more questions, read up on it or get in touch with me. Love you guys. Have a good day. Happy weekend.